India achieved its highest weekly vaccination figure so far of nearly 4 crore jabs given this week after the rollout of the centralized free vaccination drive from June 21st. Latest data on the government's CoWIN platform shows. As many as 3.98 crore jabs were given in the week between June 19 to 25, up in a big way from the earlier highest mark of 2.47 crore doses given in the week between April 3rd and April 9th. The mark this week is nearly double of 2.12 crore jabs given the week earlier between June 12 and June 18th. The weekly vaccination mark had in fact hit a low of merely 92 lakh jabs in the week between May 15th and 21st before the centre took back the job from the states of procuring vaccines for the age group of 18 to 44. The Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation has officially passed the order for Mumbai to stay in level 3 of COVID-19 restrictions imposed in Maharashtra. This came hours after the state government announced to tighten the curbs following the death of an 80-year-old Ratnagiri resident from Delta Plus variant of coronavirus. Though Mumbai fulfills the criteria of level 1 restrictions, which is near unlock based on the positivity rate and oxygen bed occupancy percentage as per the earlier plan of Uddhav government. However, the administration tweaked the previous plan and introduced state-level trigger rule for curbs. According to the new guidelines, level 3 restrictions will continue in administrative units till the district disaster management authority takes a call to withdraw them. The weekly positivity rate and oxygen bed occupancy formula for lifting restrictions will no longer be followed. Maharashtra former Home Minister Anil Deshmukh has been summoned by the Enforcement Directorate to appear before it around 11 am on Saturday in connection with a money laundering case against the politician related to the charges of bribery of 100 crore rupees. This came hours after ED sleuths arrested Deshmukh's personal secretary Sanjeev Palande and personal assistant Kundan Shinde, who will be produced before court around the same time. The centre on Friday declared that the Smart Cities Award 2020, in which Indore in Madhya Pradesh and Surat in Gujarat won the award jointly for holistic development. In a first, states were also awarded for the overall performance of their smart cities. In this category, Uttar Pradesh emerged on top, followed by Madhya Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. The Union Housing and Urban Affairs Ministry evaluated smart cities across the gamut of themes like social aspect, governance, culture, urban environment, sanitation, economy, built environment, water and urban mobility before finalizing the winners. Former Minneapolis police officer Derek Chauvin has been sentenced to 22.5 years in prison for the murder of George Floyd, whose dying gasps under Chauvin's knee led to the biggest outcry against racial injustice in the US in generations. The punishment handed out on Friday fell short of the 30 years that the prosecutor had requested. With good behavior, Chauvin, who is 45 years old, could be paroled after serving 2/3 of his sentence, or about 15 years.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.